Hello everyone and welcome you all to Quick Solutions for All India Cash Test Series Medical 2020. Today I am going to take up the zoology part of the paper, which is test paper number 9, code A and B in zoology. So let's get started with the very first question, which is question number 136. Consider the following features: eucoelomates with metamerism, presence of hemocoel, absence of notochord. Select the correct option of set of animals which possess all the above characteristics. Now, all the above characteristics given in the question, they are exhibited by arthropods. In the very first option, the animals are Pheretima, octopus and limulus. Octopus is a mollusk and it doesn't exhibit metamerism, so this is an incorrect option. In the second option, animals are Anopheles, Lacifo and Locusta. These all are arthropods exhibiting the given features in the question, so this is a correct answer to our question. In option 3, Nereis, Pila and Chaetopteris. Pila is a mollusk that doesn't exhibit metamerism or segmentation, so this is an incorrect option. And the next option is Hirudinaria, Periplaneta and Chaetopleura. Hirudinaria is an annelid that exhibit closed circulation and lack hemocoel. So this is incorrect and the option is also incorrect. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 137. Select the mismatch. The very first match given is Hydra and the match is indirect development through larval stage. This is an incorrect match because Hydra exhibit direct development. It belongs to the phylum Cnidaria. It is a cnidarian or coelenterate. So this is the correct answer. The next option is Spongilla, which is a porifer or sponge. The match given is flagellated choanocytes lining the canals is a correct match. So this cannot be a correct answer. Next option is Pleurobrachia, which is a ctenophore. The match given is bioluminescence and sexual reproduction, as it is a correct match. This cannot be a correct answer. The last option is Pinctada, which is a mollusk. The match is absence of file-like radula is also a correct match, so cannot be a correct answer. However, generally mollusks exhibit this file-like raspic organ radula, but Pinctada is an exception because it is a bivalve and it lacks radula. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 138. Presence of which of the following is a unique character of mammals? The options are mammary glands, homeothermy, pulmonary respiration, viviparity. And the correct answer to this question is option number 1, mammary glands. Presence of mammary glands is a unique character of mammals only. The next option is homeothermy. This is incorrect because both birds and mammals, they exhibit homeothermy. Pulmonary respiration is incorrect because pulmonary respiration is shown by amphibians, reptiles, birds and mammals. The next option is viviparity, which is incorrect. Viviparity is a feature of both non-chordates and chordates. So the correct answer to this question is option number 1. Let's move on to the next question, question number 139. We are not able to contract them merely by thinking about it. So we are talking about involuntary muscle fibers. Now, which of the following is not true for them in the above statement? So, involuntary muscle fibers can be smooth muscle fibers or cardiac muscle fibers, right? The smooth muscle fibers are fusiform shaped, uninucleated, spindle shaped, unbranched muscle fibers, while cardiac muscle fibers are cylindrical, branched, and involuntary in nature. The very first option is fusiform appearance, as smooth muscle fibers are fusiform in appearance and they are involuntary muscle fibers. We cannot contract them merely by thinking about it. So this cannot be a correct answer because it is not true for these involuntary muscle fibers. The next option is associated with visceral organs, as involuntary muscle fibers are associated with visceral organs, so this cannot be a correct answer. absence of communication junctions. As cardiac muscle fibers, they possess communication junctions, so absence of communication junction is not applicable for involuntary muscle fibers. So this is a correct answer to our question. The last option is uninucleate condition. As smooth muscle fibers exhibit uninucleate condition, so this cannot be a correct answer. So the correct answer to this question is option number 3. Let's move on to the next question, which is question number 140. Epithelium, whose cells are cuboidal in appearance, are associated with tubular parts of nephron, are not primarily involved in. Now, the tubular parts of nephron, which are lined by cuboidal epithelium, are PCT and DCT, that is proximal convoluted tubule and distal convoluted tubule. Cuboidal epithelium is involved in reabsorption, secretion, and diffusion. So these option 1, 2, and 3 are incorrect options, but they are not involved in protection. So the correct answer is option 4, because protection is a function of compound epithelium that comprises of more than one layer of cells, and it plays limited role in secretion and absorption. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question.